Before you even hit record, your mindset will decide if you will succeed or fail on YouTube. Many people think growth starts with fancy equipment or special tricks, but the truth is, it starts here. In this video, I will share the mindset every new YouTuber must have to grow strong and not give up. Number one is patience is power. Growth is not instant, it is progress. You growing on YouTube, it is a progressive journey. It's not something you just come instantly. No, it's a progressive journey. Be ready that many have come and go, and people are still in this YouTube. Many has come and go. They did not come with the right mindset. Be ready to put in months of work before you see big results. Be ready. Don't just start YouTube in your first, second, third months and you think that YouTube will not work for you. No. I have seen people who testify that they have been in this YouTube for 2, 3, 4 years before they even got monetized, before they start earning money on YouTube. So you can't just start 1, 2, 3 months and you give up. Don't give up. 2 is focus on learning, not just winning. When you bring out videos, you watch them yourself, you see your mistakes, you learn from it. At the beginning, your video are practice. Yes, you use your videos as practice. You watch your videos and see the mistakes you do and then try to fix them out. Try to fix them out. You get? Every upload teaches you something. Better title, better editing, better delivery. If you upload and then you check how you upload, you check your title, you check your editing. Is there a mistake? Am I doing some mistakes? You check after you've recorded. You get? Number 3 is consistency beats motivation. You won't always feel like creating. Yes, at times you won't feel like creating, but commitment keeps you going. Creating content is something you have to determine. If you don't determine, you will give up. Yes, set a simple schedule you can follow and stick to it. Set your recording days, set your editing days, set your scripting days, and set your uploading days so that you can be consistent. Don't just wake up one day and say, I want to record today. And then you just say, okay, tomorrow I'm editing. The other day I'm doing this. No, set it and follow it. Because if you keep doing it like that, on the other week, you will not follow your schedule. Yes. Number 4 is think value, not views. Don't chase numbers. Focus on helping people. Give people value, not because you want view. But if you give them value, then you will have views and subscribers. And at the end of it, you will get to where you want to be. If your video helps even 10 people, that's success. Number 5 is resilience against failure. Some videos will slow. Some videos will fail. They will fail. Some videos will not have views. Yes, some videos will not have views. Some videos will not do well on your channel, while others will do well. So do not relent on your failure. Do not just stop at a failure of one of your videos, but continue pushing until you will crack through. Yes, there's this saying that says the darkest part of the night is at the dawn. When you are about to break through, that is when you feel more difficulties, more challenging. Yes, so just keep pressing Just keep pressing, you will get there. If you have watched this video up to this time, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop something like this, you will be the first to notice. Failures are lessons, not reason to quit. Failure will come. Yes, it will come. Your heart just needs to be enlarged to receive the failure when it comes. You don't need to quit. Yes, your mindset is your greatest tool on YouTube. Stay patient, focus on value, and keep showing up. If you build this strong foundation, growth will come naturally. Subscribe to Grow with Kelvin for more simple but powerful tips to help you grow as a creator. Let's do this together. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.